Hello and good evening. This is Ernest Odell, and I'm just going to do a real quick tutorial to someone who's kind of new to Facebook and how to block annoying people. All right, so let's say if you've got somebody that's been commenting on your timeline somewhere that you find annoying, you could go in here. I'm not going to block anybody here because just about everybody that's commenting on my timeline, I know them, they're friends of mine, and I wouldn't want to block them anyway. If you do block somebody, there is a way to unblock them, okay? But let's just go in here and, let's see who we got here. 7 others. Okay, there's some people in here I don't know. All right, so I'm going to click on this link real quick. And this right here, I don't know them, but if you put your mouse over, and here's another one. So if you put your mouse over the link, if they've made a comment or if they liked, your post, you would come up here and put your mouse over friends, drop down, and then you would click on unfriend. And then it would give you an option to block them. Okay, so I don't want to block these people here because they did come in and give me some exposure. They gave me some engagement, so you don't want to do that to people that engage with your post, even if they are in Nigeria or some other country, okay? So if I click on that link right there, it'll bring up all the people. It's like this guy here. I could right-click on his name and then open up in a new tab and come over here and see, where is this guy from? Okay. And somewhere along the line we connected as friends, okay. And you just kind of have to scroll down to see, where's this guy from? So he's got something in Arabic. He's Muslim. Let's say about, doesn't really say, where he's from. Go back to his timeline. And of course I can't read Arabic, so I don't know where he's from. But he's evidently from a Muslim country, okay? So, we're getting some worldwide reach on some of these posts. Here's another one, Junior Faletoa. All right, click on that. If I wanted to block them, I could, or you can go to their timeline and block them, okay? You could just go over here and click on friends if you wanted to do that. And then you could say unfriend, click on that. All right. Like I said, I don't know where this guy is from. I could look in here, or I could just send him a message and ask him, okay. So I got some mutual friends, John Yanotka and Bob Rydell, okay. All right, so, as far as that goes, and then you want to close that dialogue, you come back up here. So let's go back up to my main timeline. And let's find somebody that I have communicated with, okay. And let's see, okay, here's one. Somebody had sent me a chat message came in and says, you know, say hi to them. So if they're chatting with you in Messenger and they become annoying, click on their name up here in the message drop down, and then it'll pop up down here. Go over here to the gear, click on it, and then just click block, okay? And then come over here and say block on Facebook, and then click block again. And click done. Over here, click on this again, and you'll see their name is still here because the conversation is still there. So now what you want to do is, you've already blocked them, you just want to delete the conversation so you don't see it show up in your feed. Click, and they're gone. And that's it. That's basically all you got to do to block somebody. Hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye.